Hey, what's up guys? Hope you are doing great. Today we are back with unboxing and quick review of Acer's new 55-inch Ultra HD 4K iSeries Smart TV. As usual, let's not waste the time, we'll directly jump into the video. First, we'll unbox the TV. The TV came on this huge crate. First, we'll remove it from the crate. Let's cut the seal and open the box. On the top, we have a TV stand. It's completely made up of plastic. Next, there is a small box on the top, which have all the wall mount accessories. Let's remove this cover. Next, there is a small package which have warranty card, user manual, power cable, TV remote, AV cable, and finally screws for table stand and batteries for remote. Next, let's take out the TV and remove it from the cover. Next, let's fix this bottom stands. And finally, let's peel this satisfying screen protector. Finally, we finished the setup. First, let's talk about its design. When we talk about the design, it's a 55-inch TV. It's really big and fits perfect for your living room. The brand says it's a bezel-less display. As they say, the bezels are really thin. On the bottom, the bezels are slightly bigger compared to the sides, and there is Acer logo on the middle. The back is completely made up of plastic and the quality is also really good. When we talk about the ports and button, on the left we have a port for power cable. Remaining all the ports are in the right side. On the right, we have one USB 2.0 port and one USB 3.0 port, LAN input port, antenna cable port, optical audio cable port and 3 HDMI port, and finally one 3.5mm audio jack and a mini AV port. Also, they provided separate converter cable for mini AV port. Display is the first priority for TV. So next, let's talk about its display. As we already seen, it's a 55-inch Ultra HD TV. You can watch content max at 4K resolution. And the TV comes with HDR10 support. You can enjoy HDR content from OTT platforms like Amazon, Netflix, etc. Also, the TV comes with UHD upscaling. It enhances our normal video and show more appealing output. When we talk about the picture quality, initially when we turn on the TV, the quality was not that good. Once we changed the picture mode from standard to dynamic, the picture quality has been improved a lot. Now the picture output is more appealing with good saturation, good dynamic range and good contrast ratio. Also, you can set personalized picture output from advanced setting. You can change setting like brightness, dynamic range and contrast ratio. Overall, when we talk about the display quality, this LED display looks really good, plus the viewing angles are also great. Also, as we already seen, it's a smart TV which runs on Android 11 and the TV has two-way audio Bluetooth option. We can connect our Bluetooth speaker or earphones directly to the TV, or we can use our TV separately as a speaker. You just need to connect your mobile phone and select the smartphone to TV option. Also, there is a small but very useful feature on this TV. Usually when you want to change the audio mode, you need to go to setting. But on this TV, while adjusting the volume, there itself you can change the audio mode. Also, we have 5 music modes: sport, standard, movie, music and news. Next, let's talk about remote. The TV comes with Bluetooth remote. First, there is a smart button. If you click that, you will get various options. The first one is enjoy music. If you choose this option, the TV display will be turned off. You can enjoy the music alone. Next, there is an option called Fastcast. Using this, you can share your screen from Chromecast. Also, there is a separate option called iPhone Share, which is specially for iPhone casting. Next, there is an option called Cast Local Media. Using this, you can cast offline files which stored locally on your mobile device. Next, if you have Windows laptop, you can mirror your laptop screen directly on this TV. Finally, there is a hotspot option. If you connect Ethernet port on this TV, you can use this TV as a Wi-Fi router by using hotspot option. Next, there is a sleep timer option to turn off the TV automatically. Next, there is an option called meeting mode. You have to connect your PC or mobile to this TV and you can present your PowerPoint slides from here. Also, there is a separate option called a laser. You need to buy separate device for this. Once you connect it to the TV, you can use your laser pointer during presentation. If you are buying smart TV for office use, then it would be really useful. Also, there is a night mode option. Plus, there is a separate option for eye protection in the settings, which dims the backlight and add a filter to the display. If you watch TV more on night time, then it would be really helpful. Also, the TV remote has separate Google Assistant button and inbuilt mic. You can control your smart device directly from TV. Also, you can search any video directly by using Google Assistant. Also, there is a dedicated button for all the popular OTT platforms. When we talk about the audio quality, the TV comes with 30-watt stereo speaker. Also, it has Dolby audio support. Let's listen the samples.
உலகத்தை மாத்த அனுமதிக்கிறவன அப்புறம் மனித இனத்தை எப்படி காப்பாற்ற முடியும்?
The audio output is really loud and good, and there is no distraction at the higher volume. But if you are someone who is looking for punchy bass, then you need to connect external speaker with subwoofer. When it comes to performance, we didn't found any lag on this TV. The TV comes with 2GB RAM and 16GB internal storage. When it comes to gaming, we tried some mild games from Play Store. We didn't find any lagging issue. When it comes to price, the TV is priced for 47,999. To conclude it, compared to other brands, the price is slightly higher, but still the performance and the quality of the TV is really good. Hope you'll find today's video useful for you. See you on the next video. Until then, this is Karthik signing off. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.